Workshop Wednesday. This is the third video. First one, I thought I had the video on. Nope, it's on photo. I talked for a good 5-10 minutes. I don't know how long I talked. Took a picture of my feet when I pushed stop at the end of it because I thought I was done. Nope, just video. And then this time I just did another one and the phone was crooked. So Eli's gone. I really miss Eli. Eli's off school today and tomorrow, learning how to get better, which I'm proud of him, and that's all cool, but I obviously have got used to Eli running the phone. So we're gonna start all at the beginning of where I was a while ago. Look here, y'all saw the TCA spurs. Well, I wanna show y'all a case that I have bought for my pieces now. Nice padded case, come from the knife making world. Got my logo on there, and then the spur one will have two sections here for the spurs so that they stay separated. Away we go. There's the old coyote, howling at the moon. Got the relief engraving in the silver. Let's see if we can get close in there and still stay in focus. Oh, that's cool. Oh, got all kinds of cool deal going on. These were a fun deal. First time to ever do relief engraving in silver. First time to ever sculpt a coyote. Got the old twisty rowel in there. That's kind of exciting. TCA logo. That's all fun. Then got the stand here. There we go. Those will be available at the TCA show. $18,500 is a cool little price tag on them. There'll be the TCA show September 30th, October 1st at the National Cowboy and Western Heritage Museum, Oklahoma City. Get your tickets now. Yeah, we'll be posting all the info as we get closer and all that business, but put that on your schedule. So it's tonight in Pawhuska, Oklahoma. If you're in the Pawhuska, Oklahoma area, go check out a show there at the Constantine Theater. Got a cool little deal going on there. I got a bit and a pair of spurs there, and that'll be a fun time. My buddy Troy Flayhardy, he may watch this, and he's mad at me because I didn't go, and I do apologize. I should be there. Busy in the shop, rocking and rolling. Everybody's got an excuse, right? So anyhow, y'all go hang out up there. Ben Johnson Museum's kind of cool. Got some work in there too. So shout out to those guys and everything that's going on there. So all is well. Got another little project. Got the balloon vac going out there. Got a cool steel buckle that I did. Just got done with. Been working on it for the last 4 or 5 days. All steel engraved. Got a big old dragonfly on there. That's kind of cool. Kind of fun to do. And then got some cool scroll overlay there. That's all. And I'm gonna get a nice French gray on it. French gray and paint engraving and all that cool stuff, so you see what's going on. Patreon's rocking and rolling. Did a nice critique of my spurs yesterday. For everybody to rake myself over the coals, and y'all think I'm mean to y'all ought to watch what I do to myself. It's the only way we get better, and so I share that type of information on Patreon. You can go to patreon.com, look up me, sign up for either one of my tiers. Got 3 tiers. $1 a month for appreciation. Just say hi. I'll throw you a bone every now and then. Picture to a month, like the spurs. Share a picture there. Then I have a $5 a month where you can sign up, and for 3 days a week you'll get a post from me, and then for $20 a month you're gonna get one every day I'm in the shop. So that's rocking and rolling. All is good. Podcast kicking. Who'd have thought it, man? Carrie said we're close to 5,000 downloads or something, and we're getting 300-400 people a week to listening to us, and that, you know what? It's been kind of fun. Jill was on the Jill Latno Yamate. I got it right, Jill. I got the name right. Jill was on there this week, and she's a lot of fun, and certainly got a good head on her shoulders, and running a good business there, and talented lady doing some awesome cool stuff. Got a new guest next week. I'll go ahead and announce Larry Lorraine. Larry's going to be on the podcast, so that's going to be fun to have Larry on there and talking shop. He's a bit and spur guy, so that's good. I'll have a brother in arms we can gang up on Carrie. But that'll all be fun and exciting for you guys to listen to too. July 22nd, we'll be at Briscoe Museum in San Antonio for the National Day of the Cowboy. I'm going to do an engraving demonstration. So if you're in the area of San Antonio, July 22nd, come hang out with me. Come say hi. We're there visiting, carrying on. Be there all day on Saturday. So all is well. What else I got to say? Spur Workshop, that's September. Got 1 spot left. Get it. Speak now, forever hold your peace. So anyhow, hope all's well. We're doing good here. There you go. You're hot. There's old Cheese over there. Cheese! Cheese! What do you think, Greg? Yeah. It's hot. It's hot in Texas. We're all piled up in the air conditioner. So anyhow, I hope y'all doing good. We will see y'all next week. Adios.